Welcome everyone to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change an iPhone battery without getting the aftermarket battery error. So as you can see, the battery right now it's at 78%, so it needs a change. First, you gotta take it off. You gotta take off this plastic protection on it. Now you gotta cut this chip down, this cable, but be careful you don't touch the plus and minus. Now take this, make sure to trim those ends off as good as you can. So it's clean. Now you gotta get a new battery cell. You can find these on the internet in China, pretty much anywhere. Straighten them out. Now I have a holding like this, so keeps it in place. But you can do it without it. In the past I've done it without the mold. It's just easier. Make sure everything is in place. Now you're gonna need a spot welder. Put it on medium strength. That should be enough for one. Yeah. Now gotta take it back off and undo this little plastic tape. Now you gotta do the other side, just like that. That should be enough. Now we don't need the spot welder anymore. Take it out. Now I've got to trim the ends. That should be good enough. Now, before I tape it back in, let's just check if it works. Maybe the battery is dead. Let me just charge it up. Yeah, it goes on. Right, so it reads as the original battery because it's the same cable. Now I'm just gonna take it out. So at least I know it works. Now, let's just tape this back on. When you order battery cells, you're gonna get plastic protectors like these and the tapes as well. Now, you're gonna need a JC Vice programmer and a little flex cable. These are because right now the cell is new, but the cable still reads at 78% battery health. So you're gonna need this to make it 100%. So let's check it first. iPhone 11 reads at 77%, cycle count 1200. Now I'm gonna add the flex cable. Actually, it's not the right way. I forgot to charge my JC Vice. So now you gotta connect the battery with the little flex. Now you gotta activate it. Good. Now go to health to 100%. You actually can put it up to like 105%. And cycle clear is good, 0. Now it has 105%, 0 cycle counts. Now, before you plug it in to the phone, you gotta give the phone an alternative power source. So it doesn't try to read the old battery, so it's gonna search for a new one. Because when you place, just a second. Because when you give it another power source, it's gonna get up that message. You can also plug in another battery, but it's the same thing. Let's see. If it doesn't turn on, I usually just plug the phone in so it gets the Apple logo. Now you can take it out. Just go to settings, go to battery. It's gonna search, but it's not gonna find. So you're gonna get that error message. Let's wait a bit. See? Says it's obviously not another language, but it's gonna say important message about this battery. Now take it out, place the new battery, and plug it in. Let me just This phone is obviously gonna get a new screen. I just don't have it right now, so I have to use this broken one. Now let it do its thing. You see it's saying 1%. Just wait until it says something else. See, 61%. Now let's check in the settings. Battery. I don't know why it showed the message still. Let's see if this fixes it. Yeah, I just rebooted it and it shows 100%. Now, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.